While most people lose money during market crashes, a small group of investors quietly build massive wealth. Same market, same crash, but completely different results. Every time the market falls, fear spreads instantly. Portfolios turn red, headlines get louder, and people start making emotional decisions. But here's the truth. Market crashes are not the problem. Your reaction is. Markets don't fall randomly. They fall because of rising interest rates, economic slowdowns, or when stock prices become overvalued. And when this happens, fear takes control. When markets fall, most investors make the same mistakes. They sell in panic, stop investing, and wait for the perfect time, which never comes. And that's how wealth gets destroyed. But here's what history tells us. Every major crash has been followed by recovery. Markets fall temporarily, but they grow permanently. Because businesses evolve, economies adapt, and growth continues. But here's something most people overlook. Market crashes are not endings, they are resets. They clean up excess, remove weak companies, and give stronger businesses the space to grow even faster. This is the phase where real opportunities are created, not destroyed. Smart investors understand that wealth is rarely built in comfort, it's built in uncertainty. They stay patient, keep their discipline, and continue investing while others hesitate. Because when the market eventually recovers, and it always has, those who acted with clarity during the chaos are the ones who move significantly ahead, while the rest are left behind, watching the growth they missed. Smart investors don't panic, they prepare. They understand one simple idea: when prices fall, opportunities rise. If your favorite brand goes on a 40% discount, you buy more. So why panic when good stocks become cheaper? Step 1. Stay calm. Emotional decisions lead to financial mistakes. Step 2. Focus on strong, fundamentally solid companies. Step 3. Don't invest all at once. Use SIP or stagger your investments. Step 4. Short-term volatility but long-term growth. Step 5. And most importantly, get the right guidance. At Nebula Finserv, we help you invest with clarity, not confusion. With personalized strategies, data-driven insights, and a long-term approach to wealth creation. Because real wealth isn't built by reacting, it's built by understanding. The next time markets fall, don't panic. Because for smart investors, that's where the real opportunity begins. Start your journey with Nebula Finserv.